Hi darklings! Welcome back to my channel. It's Victoria Lovelace here. I hope you guys are good. I am very good and welcome back to another video. I know it has been a very long time since my last video, but I'm finally back here on YouTube with another haul. Actually, it's gonna be another haul from a brand. It's actually kind of, I think, a new brand. I haven't done any haul unboxing for this brand before, so I'm gonna show you. They were very nice of sending me a package with some stuff which we are gonna unbox together, and I'm also gonna try it on. So I got here a package from Unzzy. Unzzy has a wide range of clothes, accessory. I think they have shoes also. Very nice. So I have some stuff here. As I said, they were very nice of sending me. So we are gonna open it together and I'm gonna try it on. So let's open it. It's quite heavy though. I'm surprised. It's quite heavy. So I think there actually can be a lot that is hiding in this little package here. So this is what's hiding in here. And then we're gonna take a look at the first item. If I see something here, and here you can see. I kind of like this packaging. So this is Unzzy, Unzzy.com, Asian fashion, plastic, kawaii, aesthetic store. So they have like a wide range of different styles. It's just only gothic. They have even a lot of different styles. So you guys should definitely check them out. So this is Unzzy. We are gonna open it and see what is in here. Ooh, nice. Can I actually have to see something vinyl? You guys already know I love vinyl. So, look at this. Yeah, I actually see it's some kind of vinyl here, and you guys already know that I love that. Ooh. Wow. Nice. Wow. So, it's actually kind of like a vinyl top dress-ish thing here. I know it's a little bit hard to see here, but it's like nice. I'm surprised this vinyl is very thick. I love vinyl when it's thick, because then it's gonna last longer. I hate when it's like vinyl is like too thin. So this is the dress. It has long sleeves here. This is very, very nice. So it's a little bit hard to see, as I said. So I'm gonna try it on so you guys are gonna see how everything looks on. So let's look at the next item, and we're gonna see what that can be here. Ooh, this is a lot of stuff. So I get something here. So we're gonna open it. So this is a skirt. Oh, I love those details. Those more like metal kind of ring thing. Nice. So this is a skirt. As you guys can see, I like the little like plaid detail here. It's pretty nice. So yeah, just also some shearing here in the back. Gonna make everything so comfortable. So we are gonna try it on later also. So here I have something too. Let's see what this is. So let's open it. Ooh, what can this be? It's actually let me see. Oh, I think this is actually the front of it, and this is a little kind of like shrug thing, sweater, like a shoulder thing. Yeah, some there. As you can see, it also have a hood. Kind of nice, right? Yeah. So let's look at the next item. Ooh. See something here. Something red. Yay! And then I can match with my makeup. So we are gonna look at that one too. And let's see what we have here. Ooh. Nice. I don't know where to open it. Take it here. Ooh. Cozy. Oh, this is so cozy. Oh, I like this one. Wow. Ooh. Nice. It's a sweater, as you guys can see. One of those dress sweaters, and you guys know I love those sweaters. This is actually, I don't know, I have like, kind of like a lot of different colors. So now I can actually add red to my collection of those distressed sweaters. I think I have them in like, I think black and white. I have green also, green, and also darker green, I think I have. So yeah. And I have also a short version too. So now I finally have a red one to my collection. So this is gonna be nice. So yeah. Let's see if there's anything still here. Oh yeah, it is. Look at this. So we're gonna open it too. I'm so excited to try everything on later. I'm like over excited now. Yeah. And this is a skirt. Nice. I love the skirt. And we have some. Oh, this is pretty. This is pretty. It's gonna work perfect with the top too. So yeah. Yay. So I'm gonna see if there's anything else in this package. And I think now it's actually empty. There's one thing more we are gonna open. So let's open it, and what we have here. Oh, what can this be? Ooh, look at this. I know it's a little bit hard to tell what it is now, but I think you guys can see what it is. It's actually a beret, and look at this. Has a little like alien attachment thing here. And I think this can work so cool with my hair. Like the lime green and the black. I think it's kind of... I'm gonna try it on. I can't really wear it right now, but I think it's gonna look kind of like awesome with my hair. So, here we have everything. Yay! This is so nice. So, we are gonna try everything on. And you guys is gonna see how everything looks on. So hang on. guys, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, you should definitely give it a thumbs up, drop a comment in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel because that always makes me happy. Yay! So, see you guys in the next video. Bye!